Hello everyone, I'm Farhal Imran and today I'll be telling you about a new model and it's a large language model which is developed by Meta and it is called LLaMA 3.1. So it's 3.1 version of LLaMA. So I'll be telling you all about this model, so stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So scrolling down here, LLaMA 3.1 has three variants, means it is of 405b, 70b, and 8b. So the takeaways is that this model has 8 languages. It supports across 8 languages, and it also includes LLaMA 3.1 405b, and it's the first frontier model, open source AI model. So this LLaMA 3.1 405b means 405 billion. Is a class of its own. It has the unmatched flexibility, the control, and state of the art capabilities that rival the best open source models. So, this model will enable the community to unlock new workflows. And they're also continuing to build out LLaMA to be a system by providing more components that work with the model, like including a reference system. So here they are also having some new security and safety tools, including LLaMA Guard 3 and Prompt Guard, to help build responsibility. Means whatever model that you'll build, there would be security in it so that it won't leak, or there would be some, like you can say, some guardrails would be with. So here they said that they are ready to go with over 25 partners, in which it includes AWS, NVIDIA, Databricks, Grok, Dell, Azure, Google Cloud, and Snowflake, which are offering services on day one. You can even try LLaMA 3.1 405b in the US on WhatsApp and at meta.ai by asking a challenging math or coding question. Okay, regarding the demo and to test it depends on the country. Now, not many countries can use it yet because as when I clicked on it, so I checked that it said that it is not available in my country because I'm now living in Dubai, so it's not there. So if you're in the US on WhatsApp, you can try LLaMA 3.1 405b. Means you can build it, you can build this model, or you can even ask the coding questions or challenging math questions. So LLaMA 3.1 405b is the first openly available model that rivals the top AI models when it comes to the capabilities in journal knowledge, math, to use, and multilingual translation. Means because this 405b model, it is a supercharged innovation, and with it has the opportunities for growth and exploration. So they say that this latest generation of LLaMA will ignite the new possibilities and applications, and they also said that they will introduce the upgraded versions of the 8B and the 70B models. Mean the 8B and 70B models would be upgraded. And they said that these are multilingual and they have a significantly longer context length of 128K. Means the context length is 128,000 to use, and stronger reasoning capabilities. And they also said that this enables the latest model to support the advanced use cases such as long form text summarization. Means the long form text, how to summarize it. It supports that use case. Multilingual conversational agents, means in the conversations, if it's multilingual, like it's for different languages, so it can support that, and even coding assistance. So they said that Meta has also made changes to the license, which allows developers to use the outputs from LLaMA models, including the 405b, to improve other models. And here they said that it's available to the community to download on llama.meta.com and Hugging Face also. I'll show you on Hugging Face that you can download it here. Like if we click on it, There are many variants of it, like the 8B, 70B, and 405b. So you can click on it and download it. And the model evaluations, if you have a look at this, LLaMA 3.1 405b, it wins in IF eval. This is GSMBK and ARC challenge and much more. Means in most of the use cases, it has won from the other, such as GPT-4 Omni, which is GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and even the 8B has won in most of the benchmarks. The testing of the benchmark, if you see the evaluation of it, so the 8B has won in most of it, and also 70B has won most of it. Like there are some in which it has lost, but in most of it, it has won. And if you have a look at the model architecture, so you see that LLaMA 3.1405b is trained on over 15 trillion tokens. And they said it was a major challenge. And they also did the model training to over 60,000 H100 GPUs, making the 405b the first LLaMA model trained at this scale. So this is the first model which is trained at this scale. And they said that compared to the previous versions of LLaMA, they have improved both the quantity and quality of the data that they use for pre and post training. Means the pre-training before which you give the model the training, that data, that is also they have improved the quality of it. And even after that, for example, after the model is trained, so after that the data that is given, that is also been improved. And you see the instruction and chat fine tuning. They have also fine tuned the instruction and chat to improve the helpness and quality and detailed instruction. So they have fine tuned. Fine tune means they have improved it and made the quality, they have made it better. And here there's one video. If you have a look at it, I'll just show you, in which, like for example, they're asking LLaMA that here's a CSV file, can you describe what is it? So they're executing this whole CSV file, and then it's telling about it, that what the CSV file contains, what are the columns, what does the row contains. So it's telling it. Then they said that can you plot it in a time series? So it executed it, and after that it plotted the graph. And then after that, it asked that can you plot the S&P 500 over time in the same graph? So they said that in the same graph, can you plot the thing? So it's writing it, the model is writing it. And then if you see the response, it has plotted it. So this is some of the video which you can have a look at. And here are some of the companies which they have done the features. You can see like some of the features with the other companies it has. And you can also try the LLaMA 3.1 collection of models today. But do remember that if your country is, it depends on the country if you can try it or not. Because some countries it is not yet, you can not try it yet. And you can even get started with it. You can download LLaMA 3.1 on Hugging Face, which I already showed you. And here there's another blog in which it's the same LLaMA website of Meta. So here you can see you can download the 405b, and this model it drives the widest variety of use cases. It has many variety of use cases. The 70b is highly performance, means the performance is high and it's cost effective also. And but the 8b is lightweight and ultra fast model that you can run anywhere. So if you want a lightweight one model, you can use the 8b. And there are some capabilities that they're multilingual agents. The tool used this video I already showed you about. And here there was to translate the story of Hansel and Gretel into Spanish, and then the model gave the answer according to it. And there are some more videos you can have a look at. So here it's asking the model that I have 3 shirts and 5 shorts and 1 sundress. So then it will tell that for a 10-day trip what you can do and how is it. And overall, they said like how more things you can add it. So, like for example, if you're planning a vacation, and here it's a coding assistant also, which you can have a look at it in this video. So it's create a program that generates a perfect maze. Okay, so it's maze generation program. So it's writing in Python. So it's writing all the code in Python, in which they're adding the functions, the while loop, the if conditions. So it's writing all the code according to it. So it is a coding assistant also. And here they say that you can make LLaMA your own. Means you can fine tune, distill, and deploy. RAG means retrieval augmented generation. And like you can use RAG to build agentic behavior, and synthetic data generation also means you can leverage the 405b high quality data to improve specialized models for specific use cases. You can have a quick chat with partners. Start. It's a quick start, not chat with partners. And even, okay, let me tell you about the pricing also. The pricing, where you can use it, and the prices for the input and the output for all the models, like such as 8b, 70b, and 405b. So this is the website llama.meta.com. You can come here and have a look at the pricing of it. So for AWS, the input is $0.30, the output is $0.60, mean it's 60 cents. Here it's 30 cents, and here it's 61 cents. And this is for the 8b. And the same is here, you can see it's in cents. But if it's a 70b model, you can use the input. For example, it's for like $2, $3, $3.63. It's like that. But if it's a 405b model, so the pricing is more. So it's more expensive. Like the $15, there's even one for input for $10 and output for $30. It depends like where you're using it. So they are pricing according to it. So you can have a look at it also and start using it. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.